Welcome to Finance Sikho India, your trusted guide to mastering money and building wealth. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's grow your financial future together. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Hook: why personal finance matters. Do you feel like your salary disappears within days? Or that you're saving but not growing your wealth? You're not alone. Understanding personal finance is the first step toward financial freedom. Whether you are a student, a young professional, or a small business owner, managing money wisely is the key to success. Step 1. Track your spending. It starts with a simple habit: tracking your expenses. Use free apps or Google Sheets to list your daily spendings. Categorize everything: rent, groceries, fuel, subscriptions. Goal: know your outflow before you control your inflow. Step 2. Build a monthly budget. Apply the famous 50-30-20 rule: 50% needs, rent, bills, food, 30% wants, lifestyle, travel, 20% savings and investments. Stick to this and your financial discipline will skyrocket. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Life happens. A medical emergency or job loss can derail your finances. Set aside 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in a liquid fund, a high-interest savings account. This is your financial seatbelt. Step 4. Get health insurance. Don't let hospital bills wipe out your savings. Buy a health insurance policy, even if you're young and healthy. It's affordable, and you'll thank yourself in an emergency. Also, health premiums give Section 80D tax benefits. Step 5. Buy term insurance. If someone depends on your income, parents, spouse, kids, you must have term insurance. Get coverage at least 20x your annual income. Start early. Premiums are low. Avoid ULIPs or endowment plans. Pure term plan is best. It's protection, not an investment. Step 6. Invest to grow money. Don't just save. Invest. Start with SEEP in mutual funds. 500 rupees per month is enough. Choose large cap or index funds. Use platforms like Grow, Zerodha, Paytm Money. Compounding turns small savings into big wealth. Step 7. Avoid bad debt. Debt can crush your financial goals. Avoid credit card debt. Pay MS on time. Don't borrow for luxury items. Keep your credit card usage below 30% and always pay in full. Final wrap up. Here's a quick recap. Track expenses, follow 50-30-20 budgeting, build emergency fund, buy health insurance, get term insurance, start investing, avoid bad debt. These simple habits build financial peace of mind. Was this video helpful? Hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who wants to start their money journey. Comment below. What's one financial goal you want to achieve this year? Follow Finance Sikho India for more smart money tips.